Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about your internet password. If you have forgotten your internet password and you want to figure out what it is, there are many ways to find it. One of them, you can probably go behind your router and just see it for yourself. Or if you can't do it that way, you can simply go into any of the PC, and I repeat, any of the Windows PC that you have which is connected to the internet already, and follow these steps.
On your desktop, go to the Wi-Fi settings, go to the connected Wi-Fi, and click on Properties. It's going to open up this window. Go back onto the Wi-Fi settings, then click on the Network and Sharing Center option at the bottom of this right corner. This is going to bring all the details about your current Wi-Fi connection. Click on the Wi-Fi connection name. It's going to bring out this another window. Click on Wireless Properties, then click on Security. That's your network password right there. To see it, simply click on Show Characters. And bam!
And now if you're visiting a friend or a family member and they don't remember their password, all you need to do is just go into their PC and find the password like this. Peace.